express z2 brackets cos 2 pi by 3 minus I sine 2 pi by 3 in the form z is a plus bi. Now at first glance this might appear to be quite straightforward, but we have to notice here we haven't actually got plus, and the modulus argument form is r cos theta plus I sine theta, not minus. So we have to note that z is not actually in the form r cos theta plus I sine theta. We can write it in this form by doing the following, by using a little bit of trigonometry. We know that cos theta is the same as cos minus theta, and we know that minus sine theta, what we've got here, is equal to sine minus theta. So rewriting that now becomes 2 cos of minus my angle, minus 2 pi by 3. We can change that minus sign now to a plus, because that's using this. And we are going to have sine minus pi by 2 pi by 3. If we were to draw an Argand diagram, it might help to do that in this case. Our complex number will be down here somewhere. This is minus 2 pi by 3, and its length here would be about 2. So, if we want to consider the acute angle, if we had our calculator we could do it straight away, but if we just want to consider the relevant acute angle, which is pi by 3, i.e. these two must take us to pi, so this one will be pi by 3, just the positive one, then it's going to be 2 times the cos of pi by 3, which is 1/2, but we're remembering that we are in the third quadrant, so cos is negative, plus minus sine of 2 pi by 3 is the same as sine minus sine pi by 3, which is going to be minus root 3 over 2, and then we can take that 2 in, so it's going to give us minus 1 plus root 3i, and it's now in the correct format. So we need to be a little bit careful when we get minus and being able to work out the angles. Like I said, here on a calculator, if we've got a calculator, it will give me the exact value straight away. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to convert a complex number, not quite written in the modulus argument form, with a minus sign, into the form z is equal to a plus bi. Hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.